أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. The dua before entering the toilet. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Allahumma inni a'udzu bika minal khubusi wal khaba'is. O Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, I seek your protection from the male and the female devil. After leaving the toilet, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. غفرانك الحمد لله الذي أذهب عن الأذى وعافاني. I seek your pardon. I seek your pardon. Praise to be Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who removed from me discomfort and gave me relief. Sunnat of toilet. First, enter the toilet with your head covered. Second, enter the toilet with shoes. Third, enter with the left foot. Fourth, sit and urinate. One should never urinate whilst standing. Fifth, leave the toilet with the right foot. Sixth, recite the dua after coming out of the toilet. Seventh, do not face or show one's back towards the Qibla. Eighth, be careful of the splashes of urine, being mindful in this regard causes one to be punished in the grave. Ninth, after relieving oneself, to clean oneself using water.